Today I am going to record the third question of blind articles, which has been only 75 questions there to solve the most of the data structure problems. You will get all over knowledge about the data structure. What is the third question here is? It is finding the duplicates within the array. So here you can see contains duplicate. Give an integer array that is numbers and return true if the value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. Means if there is no any duplicacy in the array, it should be return false. Otherwise, it need to be returned true. Here array you can see there is a num 1 2 3 1. So here 1 is getting duplicate. So let's see, here is the array. In this array you can see the clearly 1 is duplicate. So there is three ways we can solve this duplicacy. First, you have to iterate one element and compare to the every element. Like one is iterating to 2 3 then 1. So you are iterating one by one, means for one element, and again you are moving towards second element, means the time complexity would be big O n, it means big N square, big O n square. And memory complexity would be so here is not any memory consuming, that means big O 1. And there is also second method would be like it should be sort. First it need to be the sort. So how it looks like 1 2, and comparing alternative elements, it will get duplicate. So in sorting time complexity, you will get n log n, big O n log n. Space memory complexity, you will get n times. You are just taking one array again. And third will be just you have to make a empty set, and you should add one by one element in this set, and checking this element is present in set or not. So how it would be time complexity? Time complexity would be big O n only. Phase complexity would be also big O n. You can see the here is time complexity is greater. Here time complexity might be greater here, but here you can see minimal. Let's move in the code part and see how it works. Should we create the empty set? And then I have to iterate the list, input list, for I in if this I does not belongs to empty set, then it is unique, it should be added. Otherwise, if belongs, then it should be returned true. It means there is definitely duplicate, and if does not found any condition, then it is false, means there is no any duplicacy, it's a unique one. So let's run and see the result. Yeah, all cases has been passed, and let's submit it.